Okay, so here we are. I carried the fiddle leaf fig outside. And there's the new pot, but of course Mo, our cat, is going to be our mascot today. He has to be involved when I'm ever outside doing anything. But it's a beautiful day, so I thought this would be the perfect day to do it. I finally had everything I need. Been waiting on getting my pot in. It took me a while to decide what I wanted. But we're having an awesome fall day, so today's the day I'm going to do it. So I've read up on as many internet sites as I could, and they recommended adding this black cow manure, which it really doesn't smell, so don't let that put you off. And then cactus soil, potting soil. Don't use regular potting soil, use the cactus soil. And I use it in my other fiddle leaf, so I know that it does well. It drains fast, that's what your fiddle leaf likes. Make sure your pot has a drain plug in the bottom. And as you can see here, I started out by adding some lava rock and some plastic water bottles that are crushed down. So it'll create a lot of drainage on the bottom, and also doesn't make the pot so heavy that you can't move it around. The plastic bottle thing is awesome. I use it in all my pots now. It really drains well, and it makes it so I can move them around. So let's go ahead and I'll tell you a little bit of what I've already done. In this bucket, I added some of the, probably about 2 cups of the brown cow manure. And then I put a little bit of the cactus dirt in, and then I have added some mulch. So now I'm going to add some more of my cactus soil to get enough to fill the pot, and then we should be good to go.